new smooth.
Gridlock got you stuck, I just glide right through the traffic, son. High torque motor humming, feel the future, this is classic, hun. 1 wheel, 2 feet, the balance is a crazy art form. Carving up the avenue and dodging every single parked car, man. It's a gyroscopic rhythm that's got the concrete looking new.
Word up.
Piece of the old ways, I'm rolling with the chosen few. The freedom of the glide is something totally magnificent.
Yeah.
This ain't just a ride, it's a whole new way of living it.
Fresh.
So keep your scooter, man, that scene is kinda pitiful.
Know what I mean?
My EUC is ill, the feel is something spiritual.
Hi guys, this is the Ali EUC Channel, where we dive deep into the latest micro-mobility tech and long-distance ride reviews. Today, we are putting the Leaperkim Sherman L to the ultimate test by trekking from Anaheim all the way to the Pacific coast. We'll be breaking down the pros and cons of these high-performance wheels to see if the latest suspension tech is truly worth the investment. Welcome to Southern California, a region increasingly defined by its evolving micro-mobility scene. While most visitors navigate Los Angeles via the congested 405 freeway or crowded tour buses, a new wave of riders is opting for a more open-air experience. Today, we are looking at the Leaperkim Sherman L, one of the most anticipated electric unicycles, EUCs, currently on the market. This high-performance wheel represents the suspension era of EUCs, designed to handle both urban commutes and long-distance trails. We're starting the journey in Anaheim and connecting to the Santa Ana River Trail, a paved artery that leads directly to Huntington Beach. This route offers the perfect testing ground to see how modern EUCs manage sustained speeds and varying terrain. When evaluating wheels for this type of distance, the Sherman L stands out due to its massive battery capacity and high voltage system. However, the market is currently split between different rider priorities. The powerhouses, models like the Sherman L or the Bigode ET Max, focus on high torque and top-end speed, making them ideal for long-distance enthusiasts. The pros: incredible stability and range anxiety is virtually non-existent. The cons: these wheels are heavy, often exceeding 100 pounds, making them difficult to carry upstairs or lift into a trunk. Modern EUCs are essentially cheat codes for urban living. They offer the ability to travel 20-plus miles, yet remain compact enough to roll into a coffee shop or store under a desk, bypassing the need for bike racks or expensive locking systems. As the trail winds toward the coast, the environment shifts from industrial corridors to the open horizons of Huntington Beach, also known as Surf City, USA. Transitioning from a dedicated trail to a coastal environment highlights the importance of suspension systems. A few years ago, EUCs were hardtail, no suspension, meaning riders felt every crack in the pavement. Today, leading models utilize sophisticated oil-dampened shocks. Pros: suspension significantly reduces rider fatigue and increases safety by absorbing unexpected bumps. Cons: these systems require more maintenance and add complexity to the internal hardware of the wheel. Now on the Huntington Beach bike path, the pace slows down. Most coastal paths enforce a 15 miles per hour speed limit, which brings up a critical point about modern EUCs, software versus hardware. While a wheel like the Sherman L is capable of speeds exceeding 50 miles per hour, responsible riding in shared spaces is vital for the hobby's survival. Versatility: modern wheels feature tilt-back settings and alarms that allow riders to cap their speeds in pedestrian-heavy areas. Form factor: on a crowded path, the slim profile of an EUC is a major advantage over a wide bicycle or an e-scooter, allowing for better flow in tight spaces. The evolution of the EUC from a niche hobby to a legitimate transportation tool is clear. Current market snapshot, value picks. For those who don't need the beast specs of a Sherman L, mid-range wheels like the Kingsong S19 or InMotion V11Y offer a balance of portability and comfort. The trade-off. Choosing an EUC always comes down to the balance of weight versus range. The more freedom you want in terms of miles, the more bulk you have to manage when you aren't riding. Whether it's for the environmental benefits of a zero-emission commute, or simply the efficiency of bypassing parking fees, the latest generation of EUCs is proving that the best way to see a city is often on one wheel. If you're looking into getting your first wheel, consider your daily mileage and whether you'll need to lift it frequently. Thanks for joining us on this ride. See you in the next one.